If you are a motorcycle rider and you're looking for a good helmet out there, this one is incredible. It has some amazing just detail to it, great design, and a lot of features. I do love the visor also that has like a mirrored reflection and like a little sunglass one underneath that. On the inside, there is a lot of padding in it to make it as comfortable as can be. And the mechanism to connect it is just as simple as this. Just pop it in here, goes like that. And then when you want to pull it out, you just lift up this tab here. So this thing has the one shade over here that you can bring down like this. So now I have like it's like sunglasses basically. It's really good. It doesn't fog up. So it has a lot of really good detail. There's vents on the top and there's vents on the front just for your mouth. And it fits really nicely and comfortably. It's going to protect you. The front here for your nose is like rubber. It's not like any hard plastic. It's a really soft, like silicone kind of feel. So it's going to be even more comfortable that way. And then there's this little lever that drops the sunglasses down like that. And then you can just drop the visor down yourself and it looks so cool. The back has this gold spoiler. You can add that on if you want, or you could take that thing off if you don't want it, but it's such a cool addition to it because it's got this gold and black look. So really, really awesome. This is from a HAX racing team. This is the Obsidian. If you're going to be doing any racing or anything like that, this is going to be a helmet that you're going to want, not just because it keeps you safe, but it is really comfortable and it looks super cool. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.